This is a red oak table, approximately 4 feet square, that we've just completed at Rolfe Woodwork Ltd. Here in the Chicago area. The top is a two-piece, so the top can be taken down into smaller, easier to carry pieces when you're transporting. This particular table is going to be shipped out of state. To give you a look at the leg construction, these are straight legs. We have tapered legs or even turned legs available. The apron is cut back because this table is going to be used by some taller people. The finish is a satin polyurethane oil combination. The apron is basically the same on all four sides. So, if you're interested in other woods, species of wood, we can build it in what's commonly available. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.